Mrs. Hone, thank you for taking this time to meet with me tonight to talk to you about the benefits of artificial turf. Now, I saw that you have some grass out in your front yard.
Yes, I do.
It looked very brown, very patchy. It didn't look like it was adding much curb appeal to your home.
No, not at all. It's actually been dead for like a long time, ever since our sprinklers broke. We never had got them fixed, and it's just died.
And water prices here in California are not cheap. I know that from my own home,
Yep. Not been in a hurry to fix it.
especially when you have a household full of kids. It gets even more expensive with 20-minute showers and everything else.
Yes, absolutely.
Well, the reason why I'm here today is talk to you about possibly installing some artificial turf in your front yard to hopefully save you money in the long run. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes. What would be the benefits of artificial turf?
Well, artificial turf, number one, is environmentally friendly. It's going to save you money on your water bill, and you are going to have green grass 365, 24/7 all year long.
That
It,
sounds good.
it's very easy to maintain, and it will add more curb appeal than the dead brown grass that's not being very curb appealing right now.
Okay, well, what kind of warranty does it have?
Typically, you have a 10-year manufacturer warranty. Now, what this covers is this is a fade resistant warranty. So, if it starts to not look as green or lacks a little bit of luster down the road, there is a 10-year manufacturer's warranty, and my business will come out and we provide a 5-year warranty on any tears, rips, or any damage that might happen to it. Now, if your dog's running on it, digs his nails into it, and tears it up. Unfortunately, that's not something that I'm going to be able to cover, but accidental tears or the seams pop or something like that, I will cover that.
Okay, well, since I do have a dog, is it very pet friendly? I mean, is my dog gonna ruin it?
No, your dog's not going to ruin it. It's actually very pet friendly. There's little holes in the bottom of the turf that actually allow for water, and in this case, the dogs urinate on it. It's able to go through these holes, go down into the dirt below, and soak into the soil. All you need to do is grab a hose, maybe once a day, maybe a couple times a week at most. Just spray it down, get it off of it, but it will filter itself out.
Okay. What if it starts to like, I've been at my friend's house where it starts to have an odor, especially during the summer. Is there any way to like clean it?
Well, they do provide sprays that you can spray the turf down with. Now, those are just mainly topical sprays. It's going to mask the scent for a little while. But the best thing to do is to put some baking soda in there. Believe it or not, that kills the scent right away of any odors that might arise. And honestly, if your friend's not washing off their turf regularly, then the odor is going to get trapped inside of there. Or if it's not raining, like we don't have a lot of rain here, Southern California, then that's also a problem.
Okay. What about any rebates? Are there any rebates?
Depends on the city. Now, right now, in the city of San Diego, Riverside County, I know that if you have dead grass, like in your situation, they do have programs to where they can rebate you five to $10,000. Now you're gonna have that's something that's not gonna be on my end. That's gonna be on your end. You're gonna need to take photos, and after the project is done, you submit the photos to the county, and the county assesses it, and they will give you a rebate for going green. I don't know exactly if they're going to give you the full amount or not, but that's kind of between you and the city. But I have seen clients get up to $10,000 for having an eco-friendly front yard and reducing their water usage and everything else.
Well, I know I could put in grass for a lot less than $10,000. So what are we looking at per square foot?
It all depends on the quality of turf that you go with. What it is there's a pile on the bottom of the turf that makes it softer, some are a little bit harder. That's really what it depends. I have some stuff that ranges from $1.50 a square foot. It looks very good, it's very popular, color's immaculate. And I have some stuff that runs all the way up to $4 a square foot. This stuff's a lot thicker. I wouldn't personally recommend it for animals or kids or anything else. We could find something a happy medium there, 250, $3 a square foot. I know it sounds outrageous right now, but if you add up your water bill, if you add up seeding, weeding, and all the maintenance that goes into it, mowing your lawn, I'm sure your husband will enjoy not having to get a lawnmower out there on a Saturday morning and mow the lawn during the summer. You know, there are a lot of added benefits to paying a little bit more upfront, plus that rebate money that can come through the counties and the cities will also help offset that cost.
Okay, well, how long would the install take?
The install typically lasts anywhere from 5 to 10 days. It depends on how much prep work we have to do. It all depends on what's underneath that first little layer of dirt that we have to dig up and discover. But typically, 5 to 10 days is a good lead time to where it's done, ready to walk on, and you're going to be happy with the end result.
Okay, well, it sounds really good, but I can't make any decisions without talking to my husband. So I'm going to have to get back to you, but this has been great information.
Not a problem. I can answer any questions that he has and make sure that his questions get addressed as well.
Great.
Thank
All
you
right,
for your time.
Thank you very much.